Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things. Today's project is a Sale-A-Bration project. In fact, the next 2 weeks, all of my videos will focus on Sale-A-Bration items because these items go away at the end of the month. All of them are free items when I say it's a Sale-A-Bration item, and they come free with either a $50 product purchase or a $100 product purchase, and I will try to specify which. And today's project actually is a quick technique on a nice easy card using the Paper Blooms Designer Series paper, which is Sale-A-Bration, and it is a free with $50 purchase item. The other Sale-A-Bration item I use is Punch Party, which is with the host. It is the host set for Sale-A-Bration, meaning you get this also free with a minimum of a $300 order. And if you need any help with that, you can reach out to me. And the $300 order must be $300 in product, and then you would qualify for a number of free Sale-A-Bration items as well as this free host stamp set. And today's card is going to use the rectangle as well as the sending you smiles for every moment of your special day. These are the six floral pattern side, and then on the backs of these are lovely, more geometric patterns, with 2 of them being floral, and then a leaf. So I want to show you a quick technique. This technique is a way that I feel a beginning stamper could add. Maybe they don't have a lot of different colored cardstock, but perhaps they have a few ink pads, and you use ink to actually simulate a matte effect. So I've already done the one corner, and I used a dauber. Any type of a dauber will do, and whatever your ink of choice is. And for the top layer, I'm just going to grab something. In fact, this is the cardstock that has the name of the set, and I'm just going to flip it over. And I just line it up at roughly whatever the thickness is that I want to match the other side. You could do 1/8. This is probably a little bit smaller than a quarter. Start by going in circles off the paper and then slide it onto the corner. The corner you want to be the darkest, which is why I'm starting in the corners. And as you continue to do your circles, it gets fainter and fainter as it runs out of ink. And that is as easy as it is. And what it leaves you with is a hint of a matte without there being a matte there. So simple, great for technique for a beginning stamper with not a lot of supplies. And now I will show you the completed project using the technique. And here it is. And I did do some additional matting. You can just do, if you're a person who has maybe white cardstock, you could put this on a base and call it done. In this case, I did a white and a navy to make it look all fancy, and then had a teeny bit of the base showing so that it gives this card a really fancy look, even though it really isn't. It's very simple. In fact, I even used a dry embossed layer to just add more texture. This silver and white trim was colored with blends. I used the dark navy blend to color it as another fun technique, and then I also used blends to color in the flowers, making this a really fun card that actually took very little work. It was more work probably to glue all the pieces, trim them, and put them on than it took to actually create the effects that I've talked about. I also added this really fun holiday catalog silver trim, which is a carryover, and that will be all of the products that you can get will be put on my blog in the supplies list, and you'll notice after February 28th that the Sale-A-Bration items that are free will just drop off the list. So if you're getting to this late, sadly, these particular products, the Sentiment and the DSP, will no longer be available after February 28th, but there are lots and lots of products in the mini catalog and the annual catalog that could be used in place of these Sale-A-Bration products. And look forward to, this is the first of the 2 weeks worth of videos. I do 3 videos a week, so there will be a total of 6 videos coming, or actually 5 after this one, that will reveal more fun Sale-A-Bration products to you to consider buying before the end of the month. And that's all I got for today. Please like and subscribe. Leave your questions, comments, and suggestions on the blog or on this video. And thanks for watching.